Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Syamim Zikrie bin ZAKIE, a member of AP2566A. Shall examine the HUSIN electrical potential method in this presentation. The content of this presentation will cover several aspects. Firstly, introduction. Secondly, types, instrument preparation, features and application. Thirdly, procedure. Then result and discussion. Lastly, conclusion. In the introduction, the fundamental principle of this study is examined, wherein the corrosion potential of uncoated reinforcing steel in concrete are evaluated through the utilization of a reference half cell containing a copper sulfate solution. Singh et al. 2022 reported that the half cell potential was the sole corrosion monitoring technique authorized in ASTM C87615 standard test method for corrosion potential of uncoated reinforcing steel in concrete. For fundamental principle, this method assesses the potential for corrosion in reinforced concrete. The half cell potential method then determines the potential of reinforcing bar in concrete by utilizing a reference half cell that contains copper sulfate. It functions as a corrosion risk indicator, providing valuable insight into specific situations. We then examine the equipment classification, instrument preparation capabilities, and application. Concrete with reinforcing steel, copper sulfate, distill water to achieve saturation, and lastly, copper sulfate electrodes that are needed to be prepared. For precise measurement, instruments consist of weighing scale, copper sulfate electrodes, and electrical wire which clamp connected to a digital multimeter are used. The assessment of reinforcement corrosion in reinforced concrete members is the primary focus of application. After carrying out the procedure, a saturated copper sulfate solution is produced by combining and weighing 40 grams of copper sulfate with 100 grams of distilled water. As part of a half cell experiment, this solution is transferred to a test tube and the copper rods are connected. On the concrete surface, distilled water is poured in order to forge a robust electrical connections. The reinforcement is secured with clamps that connect electrical wires, while the multimeter quantifies and exhibits the electrical potential that is produced throughout the electrochemical procedure. The value for each point are recorded and collected. The discussion and result should be examined. The result indicates that the corrosion reached its maximum at 133.6 mV and its minimum at 51.6 mV. When these results are compared to the standard, corrosion is visually evident if the potential is below 200 mV. If it falls between 350 and 500 mV, the probability of corrosion is 65%. In summary, the acquired data indicate that each measurement was below 200 mV, which implies that the conditions were regulated and devoid of corrosion. The half cell electrical potential method is an indispensable instrument in the field of material science and corrosion investigation. The instrument utilizes two half cells to measure electrochemical potential, which allow for the evaluation of material susceptibility to corrosion and comprehension of corrosion mechanism. Based on this information, informed decisions can be made regarding the selection of materials, methods for preventing corrosion, and the integrity of structure in a variety of applications. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.